CarCast. First, let's talk about the design. The BMW M4 immediately stands out with its sharp lines, wide kidney grille, and aerodynamic details. Its dimensions emphasize its sporty character, approximately 4.8 meters long and 1.89 meters wide. Its low and wide stance gives it both a powerful look and stable handling. At the back, the quad exhaust tips, M-branded diffuser, and sporty spoiler complete the aggressive appearance. The M4 also features lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber components, reducing weight and improving performance. Its bold front bumper, sleek headlights, and muscular rear fenders make it instantly recognizable on the road. Wherever it goes, this car grabs attention. Interior now. Let's move to the interior. The cabin is fully driver-focused, offering a combination of comfort, technology, and sporty design. You'll find a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and a 14.9-inch touchscreen display running the latest BMW iDrive 8.5 system, providing seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. M Sport seats are wrapped in premium leather, combining supportive ergonomics with luxurious comfort. Carbon fiber trim, aluminum accents, and M logos elevate the cabin's sporty look. Rear seats are slightly tighter, but the front offers ample space for both driver and passenger. Additional features include ambient lighting, premium audio systems, and optional driver assistance technologies such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Engine and performance. Next, the heart of the car, the engine. The BMW M4 is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbo engine, delivering thrilling performance for enthusiasts. The standard M4 produces 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. The M4 Competition delivers 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, with enhanced suspension and M-specific tuning. The M4 CS takes it to 543 horsepower, making it a true road beast with optimized lightweight components and track-ready features. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed automatic with M-Steptronic for ultra-fast gear shifts. The M4's rear-wheel drive, or optional MX Drive all-wheel drive, ensures outstanding grip and control in all conditions. Acceleration and driving experience. This power translates into thrilling acceleration. The standard M4 reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds. The Competition X-Drive version does it in just 3.6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. But with the M Drivers package, it can reach 188 miles per hour. The M-specific suspension, adaptive dampers, and active M differential deliver razor-sharp handling, whether you're drifting on a track or cruising on a highway. The steering feedback is precise, making the M4 incredibly responsive and fun to drive. Price. So, what about the price? In the US, the BMW M4 starts at around $80,875 for the base model and can go up to $125,325 for the Competition and CS trims with full options. Considering its performance, technology, and luxury features, the M4 provides exceptional value compared to other high-performance sports cars. Conclusion. Overall, the BMW M4 is not just a sports car. It combines design, technology, and performance into a premium driving experience. Its powerful engine, impressive acceleration, luxurious interior, and track-ready engineering impress everyone. Whether you're a drift enthusiast, a speed lover, or a BMW fan, the M4 is the perfect choice. If you want adrenaline, luxury, and performance all in one car, the the BMW M4 is made for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends for more exciting car reviews.